How to change Outlook profile picture. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Start by opening up a web browser, and here you want to go to outlook.live.com. Then make sure that you have logged into your account. Now it should look something like this. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here you want to tap on Settings. Once you're here, tap on Account. And now tap on View Account. You can find your current profile picture here. If you want to change it, tap on Change Photo. Now tap on Change Photo again. Now you can select the photo that you want as your profile picture. You can have the option to rotate it as well, or zoom in or zoom out. Once you do that, tap on Save. And as you can see, the profile picture on Outlook has been changed. Tap on Close. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.